Hello guys and welcome to my video. In this video I will tell you to fix a bug that comes at the boot time of your Linux Mint Cinnamon when you freshly installed it or you have upgraded to the latest version, that is Linux Mint 20. This is a very common bug in most of the laptops, not for the desktops. So what is the bug? Let me show you this one. This is the bug. Init apps or whatever that is pronounced, I'm sorry. Unpacking failed, decoding failed. So this comes at the screen when you turn your system on. It remains for a few seconds and then your system starts booting. So how to fix that? This doesn't do a lot of harm, but it just delays your boot up time. So how to fix that? So let me help you with that, and let me close this. So for fixing, you need to run some commands in your terminal and also edit a file. So first open your terminal and type this command. I will give all the commands in the sequence in the description box, and copy and paste. If you don't know how to paste in terminal, you will have to press Ctrl Shift V for pasting in the terminal. So it is asking for authentication to open a file. Let me provide this. So this is the file. Okay, so what you need to do then is to find compress equals to, type compress equals to, and you will find a line that says compress equal to LZ4. Here it is GZIP because I have fixed this. You need to change the format in which it is compressed. So it was LZ4 when I have not edited it. Now I have edited it to GZIP. So the new format should be GZIP. This is also a compression extension of different file types. And then what you need to do, go to file and just save it, or Ctrl S. I will not do that because I have already done that. So close this. Okay, so it will write some codes on its own and it will say failed. So nothing to do again. So what you need to do next is you need to update whatever we have written to the Linux Mint 20. So for updating, you need to write this command, copy it and just paste it, and then you just need to press enter. It will ask for the password. Give that the password. It will generate some images and the function will complete, and then you need to reboot. Once this gets completed, you will have to reboot your system and your system will be all good again. So that's all. That's how you can fix your error that comes at the boot time. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Shubham. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if your friend needs help in the same. Thank you so much for watching.